Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is about powers and fractions. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to click the bell to stay notified. So in this lesson, we will do a revision on performing operations on fractions by using priority rule. Also, you will learn how to transform the compound fraction into an irreducible fraction. Let's solve this exercise from the second session of the official exams 2005. We have revised in the Engage and Explore section the power rules and how we can perform the operation of fractions. So you can easily solve such exercises. Calculate A and B showing that all steps of calculation and deduce that A and B are two forms of the same number. So A must be equal to B. Otherwise, there will be something wrong in your calculation steps. Let's start by A and by the numerator of A. So the numerator of A is equal to 1 minus 2 over 3. Of course, you know how to calculate such a fraction from the previous classes. We can take 3 as a common denominator. 3 divided by 1 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 times 2 is equal to 2. So 3 minus 2 over 3 is equal to 1 over 3. The denominator is equal to 2 plus 1 over 3. Again, you can take 3 as a common denominator. 3 divided by 1 times 2 is equal to 6, and 3 divided by 3, by 1 is equal to 1. 6 plus 1 over 3 is equal to 7 over 3. Now you can write the numerator over the denominator, 1 over 3 over 7 over 3. You can directly cancel the denominator with each other because they are equal, or you can use the ordinary way and to revise the second fraction. So 1 over 3 times 3 over 7, and that's equal to 1 over 7. So A is equal to 1 over 7. Let's see B. B is equal to 5 times 10 to the power 8 times 2 times 10 to the power 3 over 7 times 10 to the power 4 to the power 3. So 5 times 2 times 10 to the power 8 plus 3. Why? Because 10 to the power 8 times 10 to the power 3 having the same base. So we can add their exponents. So 10 to the power 8 plus 3 is equal to the 10 to the power 11. And of course, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So B is equal to 10 to the power 12 over 7 times 10 to the power 12. 10 to the power 12 goes with 10 to the power 12, and B is equal to 1 over 7. So we deduce that A is equal to B is equal to 1 over 7. Now let's solve another exercise from the second session of the official exams 2006. We want to write each of the following numbers in the form of a fraction. Let's start by A. Of course, we need to follow the order of operation to solve this fraction. So we need to start by multiplication. 8 over 3 times 5 over 2 is equal to 40 over 6, or 20 over 3. After simplification, of course. 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20, and 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And we can use either one of them to continue our calculation. So 7 over 3 minus 40 over 6, we can take 6 as a common denominator. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 6 by 6 or divided by 6 is equal to 1 times 40 is equal to 40. So 14 minus 40 is equal to minus 26. And the result will be equal to minus 13 over 3. B, again, we need to start by the numerator, which is equal to 5 over 3 minus 1. We take 3 as a common denominator. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 times 5 is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 over 3. And the denominator is equal to 1 minus 1 over 6. We can take 6 as a common denominator. 6 divided by 1 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 6 times 1 is equal to 1. So 6 minus 1 over 6 is equal to 5 over 6. Now we can write B as 2 over 3 over 5 over 6. So 2 over 3 times 6 over 5. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. We can simplify this fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. And 4 over 5 is an irreducible fraction. C is equal to 8 times 10 to the power 7 times 1.5 over 3 to the power 9. 8 times 1.5 is equal to 12, so C is equal to 12 times 10 to the power 7 over 3 times 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 7 over 10 to the power 9 is equal to 1 over 10 to the power 9 minus 7. Of course, we have used the power rules, and we have shifted 10 to the power 7 from the numerator to the denominator, and we changed the sign of 7 from positive to negative. So we have got in the denominator 10 to the power minus 7 times 10 to the power 9, and that's equal 10 to the power 9 minus 7. Now 12 goes with 3 to give us 4 in the numerator, and C will be equal to 4 over 10 to the power 2, which is equal to 1 over 25 or 0.04. Thank you guys for watching. Please try to contact with me if you have any question. And do not forget to solve the worksheet and send me your answers. Stay safe and good luck. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.